One of the main obstacles that keep most people from getting their hands dirty is the lack of a decent assortment of tools. With the best mechanics tool set, you can cut the time you would spend getting frustrated about a bolt that is hard to reach by half. A mechanic tool set is a piece of must-have equipment from performing regular maintenance on your vehicle to repairing common problems in your apartment. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. We are starting our list with the Stanley STM71648 40-piece socket set. This tool set is constructed of high alloy steel and heat treated for performance. The max drive design provides 15% more torque and meets or exceeds ANSI standards for sockets and ratchets. This set includes a 72-tooth ratchet for smooth operation in tight spaces. The ratchet handles are ergonomically designed and have an easy-to-use thumb-operated reverse switch mechanism. Its quick release allows users to remove extensions or sockets with one hand and has a full polished chrome finish for anti-corrosion protection. Additionally, the tools have chrome vanadium forged body for torque, strength, and durability. Moving on, next on the list, we have the Amazon Basics Mechanics Socket Set. It has a quick release switch and reversible mechanism for smooth operation. This set provides a wide array of commonly used sockets, screwdriver bits, hex keys, and wrenches. It comes with an integrated carrying handle that provides designated space for keeping all the pieces neatly organized and easy to transport. The tool set includes a 1/4-inch drive handle, a 1/4-inch bit adapter, and a 1/4 and 3/8 inch extension bar that makes it easy to reach into deep spaces. Moreover, the 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch pair head ratchet make it easy to maneuver in tight areas, while its quick release switch and reversible design provide added convenience and control. On the other hand, from roadside repairs to tinkering around the car or bike, the Amazon Basics Socket Set offers a handy collection of useful essentials. The Crescent General Purpose Tool Set comes with durable, full-polish Crestaloy alloy steel ratchets, drive tools, and sockets that are reliable and resist rust and wear. Its 72-tooth quick-release ratchets have a 5-degree arc swing, letting you finish your job faster. The set includes 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch quick-release ratcheting drives with a wide selection of standard and deep sockets in the most common SAE and metric sizes. Crescent Mechanics tools are made from chrome vanadium alloy, specially formulated and heat-treated for high strength and superior resistance to abrasion and corrosion. Furthermore, every part of every device, from the vapor-blasted screwdriver tips to the hardened ratchet gears and pawls, is designed for too long life. The next product on the list is the high-spec 67-piece Auto Mechanics tool set. This tool set contains a carefully selected assortment of the most reached-for sockets used for DIY, automotive, vehicle, and mechanical repairs and maintenance. The set includes professional-grade 72-teeth, 3/8 inches ratchet drive handle with a comprehensive SAE sockets. It comes with the most useful socket accessories, including a slide T-bar for extra torque leverage, universal joint, range of adapters, and extension bars for hard-to-reach places. Its bit driver handles with a selection of the most commonly found driver bits for screwdriving and fastening. The fine nose pliers are used for pulling and twisting. Finally, the combination of pliers is utilized for snipping and tight gripping. Meet up the all-new Dewalt 204-piece mechanics tool set. It has knurled beauty rings that provide a non-slip gripping surface, having a low-profile directional lever that helps reduce catch points and for smooth one-hand operation. The tool set includes a durable molded case that allows secure storage and tool protection. The kit consists of a 3/8 drive ratchet, 1/4 drive ratchet with 32mm sockets, 3 ratchet extensions, a reduction adapter, and 15 nut bit drivers. Each ratchet features 72 teeth and quick release for rapid plus efficient ratcheting. Besides enhancing the grip levels, the bit drivers come with anti-slip comfort padding, It also features a 5-degree arc swing and slim head design for maneuverability in constricted areas. And the case is made of polycarbonate plastic, which won't break or crack easily. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the Stanley STM71648 210-piece mixed tool set. This kit features a chrome vanadium forged body for torque, strength, and durability. It offers a full polish chrome finish for anti-corrosion protection so that tools last longer and wear well. All devices within this set meet or exceed all ANSI specifications for added safety. It contains 3/8 inches drive and 1/4 inch drive pair head ratchets, accompanied by 70 SAE and metric sockets. Each ratchet has a quick release mechanism for expedient socket detachment, and a reversing lever allows ratcheting power to be flipped easily into the counterclockwise mode. On the other hand, all pieces of this set fit securely within a durable blow-molded carry case for easy organization and convenient portability. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.